Learn HTML. What does HTML mean? HTML is an abbreviation for a sentence hypertext markup language. Why do we learn this language? To build the web skeleton. Behind every web page you've ever visited, there's HTML code. HTML is the standard language for documents designed to be displayed on the web. Why I need to learn HTML? To be front-end developer, back-end developer, or mobile developer. And also, learning HTML will allow you to create websites, collaborate more effectively with technical teams, and improve your digital marketing skills. What I need to learn HTML? Text editor, so that you can write the code and the site sees the code and shows you the shape of the page. From my point of view, the best text editor nowadays is Visual Studio, internet browser Google Chrome or Firefox. Always search. I strongly advise you to always search. And if you don't understand something, asking someone is the last thing you should do. And you should search because search will develop your search skills, and you will learn new information. And also, you will learn from more than one source, and this will expand your thinking. Have a goal. If you ask me what I will do when I learn this language, my answer will be that you will not do anything. You've to have a goal because if you don't have a goal, all roads lead to Rome. Focus. If you've problems at the moment and your mood isn't good, don't study at this time. Start any idea. You're currently studying HTML language. Create an ebook store, a toy store. The idea is that you apply what you learn. I hope that the introduction answered all your questions. Thanks you so much for watching, and until next time, happy coding!